How you doing? My name is Trenius Henderson. You're tuned into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So, in this video, I'm about to let you know, okay, this magic money spell, okay, that you can say in the mirror daily to manifest you money, okay? Now, I'm not really big on spells or anything like that, but I know that they do work. The only time spells or hypnosis works is when the practitioner or me in this case has permission to actually put you under that hypnosis or that spell to be able to attract money, okay? Now, I know somebody asked, is this witchcraft? No, this is not witchcraft, okay? This is just magic, okay? And if you use magic for a good purpose, to do something good for, or to have something good for yourself, such as money in this case, that's perfectly fine, okay? Money is not evil. It's what you do with the money, which is the determining factor that makes money evil or good, okay? So this is a positive video, and it's for a positive purpose, and it's for you to manifest money, okay? But first and foremost, I need your consent to be able to put you under this money spell, okay? And I'm gonna explain the money spell after you give me the consent. So what I need you to do is I need you to first give this video a thumbs up, okay? Give it a thumbs up, and then you need to write in the comment section, okay? I give Trenius Henderson the consent to put me on this money spell, okay? And then put your name beside it. Okay, so you just say, I give Trenius Henderson the consent to put me under this money spell, put your name beside it, then you set it in stone, we ready to go, okay? Now, once you get that part done, what we're gonna do is, first of all, what we're gonna do is this, okay? I'm gonna go over to the mirror here and I'm gonna do it with you, okay? So if you wanna run this video back over when you're looking into the mirror yourself, whether that's in your bathroom, whether it's the mirror out of your purse, okay, mirror in your room, whatever. When you're doing this, when you're trying to do this money magic spell and you're looking in the mirror, you can play this back over, okay? Fast forward this video, play this back over and do it all over daily, okay? So save this video right now, make it your favorites. This is the money spell video that will help you manifest money fast, okay? So we're gonna say 3 affirmations, okay? We're gonna say 3 different affirmations, really powerful affirmations. We're gonna say them 3 times. In between those 3 affirmations, we will do 3 breathing techniques, okay? Because it's all about breathing in and exhaling out, you know, to put the body in the right state of consciousness so that this money spell can get down into your subconscious mind. It's all about being relaxed, okay? And we're also going to take a sip of water, which is also just like the mirror, another form of purity that is going to be able to put us in this trance to be able to attract this money over a course of time. So when it comes to manifesting magic money, folks, you never know where this money is going to come from. Okay, it can come from anywhere. The universe has all kind of ways to get you this money that you will be manifesting. So don't even worry about how it's going to come. Just know that this money spell is going to work for you. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to the mirror. We're going to do this money spell together. Let's go. All right. Okay, so let me turn my camera to the left in front of the mirror right there. Right there. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so I got 2 forms of water here. These are my favorite waters. So I'm just going to pick one. So in your case, what you're going to do before you say this magic money spell in the mirror daily, you're going to take a glass of water, okay? You're going to drink a glass of water. I hope it's in the morning. This is the best time to do the money spell. Drink a glass of water or just a sip of water, a gulp, enough to where it goes down and you feel satisfied. So I'm going to drink some of this Perrier water right here. This is the beginning of the technique. And water, once again, water is purity. It's the most purest liquid ever. Okay, so you're purifying yourself before you actually do this magic money spell. Okay, so I did that. Okay, once you drink your water, then we're gonna say 3 affirmations in the mirror. Okay. Now, the first affirmation is money will magically manifest to me. Okay, so I'm going to say the 3 affirmations and then I'm going to do it right here. Okay, and then after that, we're going to take the breathing, do the breathing technique. Okay, and then we're going to move on. Okay, so here we go. Money will magically manifest to me fast. Money will magically manifest to me fast. Money will magically manifest to me fast. The next affirmation: I feel like money at all times. 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 The next affirmation: I am worthy to receive money today. 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 And then at the end, you say, it is done unto me. It is done unto me. It is done unto me. Okay, we just did the money magic spell in the mirror. Okay, this is how you do it. Do this every day. Remember this technique. Remember what I just did. Make sure that you drink the water right before you do the technique every time you do it. Make sure that you say, it is done unto me as soon as you finish doing it. Make sure that you breathe 3 times in between each affirmation. This is very important that you do it the same exact way that I just did it in order for this spell to work, okay? So as of now, we have been spellbound, okay? We have literally given our consent to be spellbound, to be able to manifest money fast. Now, if you believe this message, if you believe this spell, if you believe this works, then it will be done unto you, okay? So this is it. That's it. It's as simple as that, folks. So with that being said, if you are interested in a free money course, that's right, my friend Ramos, he's a money specialist, okay? He is allowing you to start his money course for free, okay? And it's legit too, because I already done did it, okay? Make sure you click that link in the description section and go to my boy's Ramos money course, starting for free, okay? Also, are you interested in attracting money even more faster than this spell that we just did? Well, I am offering you my money vortex, okay? Vortex is fast, okay? And I literally teach you how to metaphysically, okay, intuitively, using your intuition, attract money into your life, okay? So if you want my money course, that's inexpensive as well. Go to my website. Go to www.thelivingrealm.org. It's going to be in the comment section at the very top of the comment section. You're going to see a link. It's going to say Money Vortex. Okay. Click that link. Go to my website and purchase that course. Okay. It works just as well as this spell here. All right. So with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. You have been spellbound. Say this daily. Okay. Don't skip a day until you get that money that comes to you from middle of nowhere. All right. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon wherever it's at. Click that face icon. That's me. Hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos every single day, okay? With that being said, check out one of these other videos right here in the meantime. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.